So how do you show your iPad and the Apple Pencil in your YouTube videos? So before we get started with the video, most definitely subscribe to the Foxtecc channel because I just don't want you to miss tutorials like this one. So it depends on what exactly you want to do, but I assume that you want to share what you're doing, like you're drawing or teaching or something from the iPad to YouTube, right? So in that case, you need to swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center and try to find the screen recording feature. If you do not see it right away, tap on the plus button in the control center. Then at the bottom, we have the add a control button. And from the window that shows up, just click on the screen recording and add it to your control center. Now, the next time you want to capture the thing that's going on the screen, you go to the control center again, tap the screen recording toggle, you'll wait through the little countdown 3, 2, 1, and you can now do whatever you want with your iPad. Like, for example, you go to your notes, you go to the creative mode, make it full screen, you grab your Apple Pencil, you can draw or visualize something on the screen, and it will be captured in the video. Once you're done, you tap on the screen recording icon at the top, stop the recording, and the whole video will be saved in your gallery. So that's pretty useful. You now have a video footage of whatever was going on the screen, whatever you were teaching or drawing, whatever it might be. You can then upload it to YouTube or share it with other people in any way you like. So that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if it worked, but if it did, just hit the thumbs up and I'll get the message. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.